In this beautiful mini estate here in Thinkers Corner is this house that is for sale. This is a beautiful 674 square meter piece of land that is seated these 4 blocks of 2-bedroom apartments right here in Thinkers Corner. This house is spacious. You can even put a BQ. You can see the ample parking space. I didn't go in because of course people still live here. The residents still live here as at the time I was making this video. This is a 674 square meter land. This is the property. There's a waterway here, and that is why this compound has water. It is a good place. This place comes with a C of O. So I was driving out and I thought to show you the distance with less than 1 minute actually from this house to the road. This place is just off that airport road. So this particular property is about 3-4 minutes to the international airport, Enugu International Airport, and about 5 minutes to New Haven. This place is just a perfect place, and you can see the environment serene, peaceful, calm. Call me for an inspection today, 080967376668. Let us bring you to this awesome place. You can see the road. That's the road right there. And so if you want to turn that place to a shortlet, in case you don't want to use it for rent, but the truth is Thinkers Corner is one of the most desired places for rents right now in Enugu. And so a 2-bedroom apartment like that can go from between 700,000 naira to 1 million annually. Some people, if you put it very well, like you floor it and do all the POP and screed the whole place, it can go for as much as 1.2 million naira per annum. Yes, and also if you want to convert it to a shortlet, which is a beautiful business by the way, you can buy it and turn it into a shortlet and rent out those 2-bedroom apartments per night for as much as 50,000 naira per night. And if you do that for a month, you see that you make up your money in a couple of years. So call us today for inspection. Thinkers Corner is a very beautiful, serene, well-planned environment. Like you can see, it's a few minutes drive to Gofroko University. It's about 5 minutes drive at the most to Akanu International Airport. Another 5 minutes drive to New Haven Independence Layout. This is just in the perfect location. The access roads are good, and you can see the road is good as well. So call us today for an inspection, 0809673766. I'm sorry it was raining and so droplets were on the screen, and it's causing inconvenience to see properly. Apologies. All right, enjoy a fantastic day. I look forward to hearing from you, and bye for now.